pondered the effects of incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine? Despite their small size, these little wonders pack a powerful punch when added to your meals. Originating from Guatemala and Mexico, chia seeds have been a dietary staple for centuries, cherished by both the Mayans and Aztecs. Did the Mayans realize the nutritional treasure trove hidden within these seeds? With essential fatty acids, fiber, and crucial minerals vital for optimal bodily function, it seems they were onto something profound. The name Chia itself, derived from ancient Mayan, translates to strength, a fitting tribute to the robust nutritional profile these seeds offer. Versatile and brimming with health benefits, chia seeds hold immense potential to enhance your well-being. In this video, we'll delve into their nutritional prowess and explore why they're a worthy addition to your diet. Before we delve further, it's important to clarify that all information presented in this video is thoroughly vetted, fact-checked, and endorsed by qualified health experts. With that assurance, let's dive into exploring the transformative effects of consuming chia seeds daily on your body. Number 1. Abundant digestive benefits. Chia seeds stand out as an exceptional fiber source, providing up to 10 grams per serving. This accounts for approximately 29 to 45% of the daily recommended fiber intake, depending on individual needs. Diets rich in fiber play a pivotal role in maintaining digestive health, enhancing heart health, and lowering cholesterol levels. Unfortunately, in today's fast-paced lifestyle, fiber consumption often falls short, leading to various chronic issues such as constipation or diabetes. The unique composition of chia seeds, boasting both soluble and insoluble fiber, facilitates a healthy and balanced diet. Number 2. Weight loss benefits. Research suggests that chia seeds could aid in weight loss, primarily attributed to their high fiber content. A 2011 study review indicated that incorporating chia seeds into one's diet might lead to short-term reductions in body mass. In another study, participants who added chia seeds to their yogurt reported feeling more satisfied compared to those consuming yogurt alone for breakfast. However, a 2014 study found only modest weight loss among participants compared to the placebo group, indicating that further research is warranted. Despite the need for more comprehensive studies, one thing remains clear. Integrating chia seeds into your diet can prolong feelings of fullness, curbing the temptation for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Thus, chia seeds emerge as an ideal addition to any meal. Furthermore, the abundant fiber content in chia seeds aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, even following substantial meals. Number 3. Beneficial for heart health. Chia seeds boast an antioxidant known as quercetin, renowned for its potential in lowering the risk of heart disease and related conditions. Additionally, these seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, recognized as heart-healthy fats. Approximately 75% of the fat content in chia seeds comprises alpha-linolenic acid, complemented by around 20% of omega-6 fatty acids. This balanced ratio not only helps stave off various heart-related conditions, but also potentially reduces the likelihood of premature mortality. While research on the cardiovascular benefits of chia seeds remains limited, studies on rats have shown promising outcomes. These include reductions in triglyceride levels and oxidative stress, along with lowered blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease development. Moreover, chia seeds contain a notable amount of copper, crucial for sustaining heart health, an essential nutrient often lacking in many individuals' diets. Number 4. May aid in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Several studies have investigated the impact of chia seed consumption on cholesterol and triglyceride levels. A recent 2021 study review comprising 10 clinical trials revealed that chia seeds have the potential to elevate high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, often referred to as the good cholesterol. This elevation could contribute to balancing blood lipids and enhancing cardiovascular health. Moreover, the study review noted that chia seeds exert a favorable effect on various markers within an individual's fatty acid profile. While research findings remain somewhat limited, chia seeds hold promise as a valuable addition for individuals seeking to lower their low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol levels. Most studies have primarily focused on individuals with diabetes or metabolic syndrome, examining the effects of a healthy diet enriched with 25 to 50 grams of chia seeds daily. Encouragingly, these studies have demonstrated significant reductions in triglyceride levels. However, it's essential to recognize that no single food can magically resolve cholesterol issues. Optimal cholesterol management necessitates the adoption of a balanced, nutritious diet. Number 5. Combating oxidative stress. Chia seeds are packed with a plethora of antioxidants that play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, which can harm the body's cells. Oxidative stress occurs due to an imbalance between the production of free radicals and antioxidants. Excessive free radicals can cause significant damage, contributing to aging and certain types of cancers. Among its array of antioxidants, chia seeds contain quercetin, a potent antioxidant known to mitigate the risk of various health conditions, including heart and liver diseases, as well as certain cancers. Additionally, chia seeds boast myricetin, caffeic acid, camphorol, and chlorogenic acid, each offering its own unique health benefits. Chlorogenic acid, for instance, has been associated with lowering blood pressure, while caffeic acid serves as a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet could potentially confer benefits for heart and liver health and reduce the risk of cancer, particularly if you're predisposed to these conditions. Number 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation serves as the body's natural immune response against foreign invaders. However, certain factors, such as processed foods, can trigger chronic inflammation associated with serious conditions like cancer and heart disease. Fortunately, chia seeds contain caffeic acid, which aids in combating chronic inflammation. Additionally, some scientists propose that a diet rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation in the body. The good news? Chia seeds are abundant in both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can thus effectively improve inflammatory markers in the body, potentially warding off inflammatory diseases. Number 7. Enhanced blood sugar management. Chia seeds show promise in reducing blood sugar spikes within the body. A small-scale study conducted in 2017 compared two groups of participants, one consuming flax seeds and the other chia seeds, to evaluate their efficacy in slowing down glucose release in the body. The study revealed that chia seeds outperformed flax seeds in mitigating blood sugar spikes, offering particularly encouraging results for individuals with type 2 diabetes. The substantial fiber content in chia seeds further contributes to improved blood sugar control by reducing insulin resistance. Additionally, another study indicated that chia seeds elicit a distinct low blood sugar response compared to traditional grains, potentially aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Number 8. Strengthen bones. Chia seeds may offer notable benefits for bone health, thanks to their rich content of phosphorus and magnesium, essential compounds for robust bones. A mere ounce of chia seeds provides 18% of the recommended daily intake of calcium, crucial for promoting healthy bones and nerves. Surprisingly, chia seeds contain more calcium than standard dairy products, making them a valuable addition to your diet for enhancing bone mineral density. Consider swapping some of your milk intake for chia seeds to bolster your bone health. Moreover, an animal study involving rats demonstrated that daily consumption of chia seeds over 13 months led to increased bone mineral content compared to a placebo group. Promising animal studies also suggest that chia seeds may enhance insulin sensitivity, thereby stabilizing blood sugar levels post-meals. Nevertheless, further research is required to substantiate these findings comprehensively. Number 9. Incredible nutritional value. Chia seeds held a prominent position in the diets of the Aztec and Mayan civilizations, even serving as a vital ration for warriors, an acknowledgement of their remarkable nutritional potency. Remarkably, just a tablespoon of chia seeds was deemed sufficient to sustain an individual throughout the day, an ancient belief now substantiated by modern science. A single serving of chia seeds, approximately 2 tablespoons, offers a wealth of nutrients. 138 calories, 8.7 grams of fat, 11.9 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of alpha-linoleic acid, 4.7 grams of protein, 14% of the recommended daily intake RDI for calcium, 23% RDI for magnesium, 20% RDI for phosphorus, 15% RDI for thiamine, 16% RDI for niacin. With such an impressive nutritional profile, chia seeds bring a myriad of health benefits to the table. Incorporating just 2 tablespoons of these seeds into your daily routine can provide you with this fantastic array of nutrients. Number 10. Seamless integration into your diet. Unlike other foods that necessitate a drastic overhaul of your eating habits, incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet is remarkably straightforward. Despite their initially subtle flavor, chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can complement almost any dish. Whether consumed raw, blended into smoothies, or added to porridge, oatmeal, or pudding, Chia seeds seamlessly adapt to various culinary creations. Many enjoy them for breakfast, atop yogurt or cereals. Moreover, chia seeds serve as an excellent binding agent in homemade fritters, thanks to their ability to absorb both fat and water. They also excel in thickening sauces, and can even serve as a substitute for eggs in certain recipes. With their ease of use and multitude of nutritional benefits, chia seeds effortlessly enhance the nutritional profile of any meal. Chia seeds offer incredible health benefits and are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Their versatility and nutritional richness make them a must-have addition to your meals. So don't underestimate the power of chia seeds. If you found this video informative and insightful, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. We'll be bringing you more enlightening videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more valuable content.